Hello, my dear students. Today we will be doing our next topic, that is PowerPoint. In our last video, we have done Excel, and from the same suite, our next topic is PowerPoint. It's the part B of your typo subject. First of all, the introduction of PowerPoint. The Microsoft PowerPoint is a presentation program that helps to develop dynamic professional looking presentation. Basically, the PowerPoint is used for creating the presentation. It can be used to create organize slideshows, speaker notes or handouts. It is used by teachers and trainers to make the lectures presentation way. It is used in the corporate sector to present projects, plans and your strategies. It improves the presentations with pictures, sounds, effects, table, charts, means any audio, any video, any chart, graph, any image, anything can be added here. Means it's a dynamic platform to present your thoughts in an effective manner. That's the PowerPoint. Now how to start the PowerPoint? First of all, we have to go to start button. Then from all program we'll select MS PowerPoint. Let me show you practically also. I have clicked on start button. Then we'll go to Microsoft Office. Here you can see this is Microsoft Office. In Microsoft Office these all are the packages included, and here we'll get Microsoft Office. This is Microsoft PowerPoint window. This is tab, this is ribbon, scroll bars, this is your slide area. The working page of PowerPoint is called slide. Got it? And rest maximum things are same as Excel, like this is the office button. In the Excel it was same. Okay, now let's come to our topic. Next one is creating a presentation. How to create a presentation? For creating a presentation we have to go to office button, then click on new. Let us do it practically also. We'll go to office button, then click on new. Here it will ask that whether you want to open blank presentation. Click on blank presentation and create. This is how we can open the blank presentation. Fine. Next is how to open an existing presentation. For this again we have to go to office button, go to open option. Here you will see many options of presentations only, but at least you must know that at desktop, at C drive, E drive, F drive, where your presentation is there, click on that particular presentation which you want to open and click on open. Then your presentation will got open. Clear? Next is viewing slides. How to view the slide? First of all, what is a slide? Slide is, in PowerPoint, slide is the working page. में जिस पेज पे आप काम कर रहे हैं ना, that is the slide, that is the slide. Here in PowerPoint that consists of different views. Means PowerPoint offers us many view to look differently in your presentation. For this we have to go to view tab and presentation view tab. First of all, there is normal view. In the normal view, this is the view which is by default, which is already opened. Okay, in this normal view there are 4 types of tabs. Outline tab, it displays small images called thumbnails. Then slide tab shows all the text on the slides. Then slide pane shows the currently selected slides. And notes pane used for entering notes. Here let me show you practically. By default, when we opened any new slide, this view is opened. It means this is your normal view. Okay, and how to know? Go to view option, and here in the presentation view group you will see normal. I have not clicked, but it is already normal. Okay, here you will get all these 4 views. Now where these are? First of all, outline tab. Here if I enlarge this window, you will see here this is outline. Okay, this is slide tab, this is outline tab, and this is your working area. Again I am making it shorter. First of all, outline tab, this is your outline tab. In this you will see small images of your slide. Right now we are having only one slide, that's why only one image is there. अगर मैं और slide add कर दूँ, you can see as many slides are there, as many images of slides will, जिस slide पे click करूँगी that will open in here. Okay, next is slide tab. This is your slide tab. Okay, this is your slide tab, means actual the whatever is written in our slide, whatever the image is there, complete a full view, means a working view you can say. Then slide pane, this pane, when we click on slide, means thumbnail view of our slides, currently selected slide, कौन सी current पे है, right now which slide is open, all that can be, जिस पे आप click करेंगे that will open here. Okay, then notes page, at the bottom here you can see for every slide we can create notes. Suppose for first slide I am typing my first slide. Okay, here I can write second slide, whatever you want. Mean if you want to maintain notes slide wise, you this area, this is called notes pane. Clear? Next is slide sorter view. This view displays the thumbnails of all the slides, and here we can sort, we can move, we can add the slides. चलिए have a view. First of all go to view menu, view tab. Here in the presentation view group you will see slide sorter. Click on slide sorter. This is the slide sorter view, means thumbnail views or you can say miniature of your slides will appear. जितनी slide होंगी सारी एक साथ collectively they will be visible here. You can change the arrangement of your, suppose इस first को मैं last में लाना चाह रही हूँ, click on it and drag at the last, it is changed. Suppose I want to delete this, click on this and press del from the keyboard, that is deleted. If you want to add more, right click here and new slide, that one be added. This is how in slide sorter view we can add, we can move, we can delete, we can rearrange our slides. Next is notes pane. It displays a page layout of the notes and the slides. Means अभी मैंने यहाँ पर notes pane में आपको notes बनाने सिखाए है ना. In notes page view we can view every slide with the notes, and if we want to add it or we want to compare we can easily do. Just see in the view tab we have gone to presentation group, and here you can get notes page. Just click on this. Here you will see first slide along with its note. इसके notes, let me make it larger. You can see this is my yeah, because that first slide we have deleted ना, तो this is our first slide, उसके notes second slide लिखा था मैंने, next slide, next. Okay, whatever you will maintain in the notes that will be visible here in the note page view. Okay, चलिए. Next is slide show view. It displays the presentation from the beginning with animation. ये सबसे last का काम है. Means when your complete presentation is done, complete animation, designing, writing, photo डालना, video, audios, whatever you want to do in your presentation, if everything is done, तो last step है slide show. Means proper presentation view. अब ये कैसे है? Just see here. This is the slideshow. Okay, here, in the view menu only we will go, and here slideshow. Just with the click you can keep on clicking and the slideshow will carry on, और जब last slide हो जाएगी it is the end of the slideshow. Okay, clear? चलिए next, working with slides. अब slides के साथ काम कैसे करते हैं हम? सबसे पहले adding a new slide. How to add a slide? ऐड करना आई थिंक आप सबको आता है, बट द प्रॉपर मेथड, अगेन आई एम सेइंग इन योर एग्जाम इट इज आस्क्ड दैट थ्रू विच टैब, थ्रू विच ग्रुप, थ्रू विच ऑप्शन यू हैव डन इट. तो जब भी जिस चीज़ पे क्लिक करें कीप दैट इन योर माइंड. फॉर एडिंग ए स्लाइड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल होम टैब, देन स्लाइड्स ग्रुप. ओके, मैं पहले नॉर्मल व्यू पे चली जाती हूँ. दिस इज़ योर नॉर्मल व्यू. home tab, this is slides group, and from here click on new slide. As many times you will click on this button, as many slides will be added. This is how we can add a new slide. Okay, then comes how to change the slide layout. Layout means the portrayal of items on your slide, like title hai, here text, but here you can see at home tab, slides group, this is the option for layout. Click on this, different types of layouts are there. Which type of layout you want? Suppose I want 2 text and 1 title, that you click on this and that title will be changed. Means first of all you have to select for which slide you want to change, then go to layout option and select whatever you want, that can be done. This is how you can change the layout. Clear? Next is deleting a slide. How to delete? For that the group is same, means again home tab, slides group, and here you can see this button is delete slide. जिस स्लाइड को फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सेलेक्ट द स्लाइड विच यू वांट टू डिलीट. सेलेक्ट कैसे होगा? क्लिक ऑन दैट स्लाइड, देन क्लिक ऑन क्रॉस, दैट स्लाइड इज डिलीटेड, देन क्लिक. अभी हमें पता क्यों लग रहा? बिकॉज ऑल आर वाइट. इफ विल राइट और विल डेकोरेट, देन ऑल विल बी डिफरेंशिएटेड एंड दैट इजीली वी कैन गेट. क्लियर? Next is adding text. How to add the text? First of all, in the PowerPoint, text is added using the text box. और text box को हम 2 तरीके से डाल सकते हैं. First from the home tab and next from the insert tab. Let's see here. पहले हम layout लेते हैं, बिल्कुल blank sheet. ठीक है, ये मेरी blank page है. Clear? Now first of all we are going, let me make it enlarge. Home tab, we are at home tab. In the home tab, in the drawing group, you will see here, this is the text box. Click on it and draw. Okay, and whatever you want you can type. This is how we can add text. एक method हो गया. Second method from the insert tab. Go to insert tab. In the text group, this is the text box. Click on this, same method, drag and draw, and whatever you want you can type. Okay, this is how we can add the text. Again I am making it smaller. Next is move a text box. How to move? To move the text box, bring the cursor over the border. Means इसके border में ही छुपा हुआ है. जब आप इस पे क्लिक करेंगे, you can see border is there. जब आप border पे लेके जाएंगे, your mouse pointer is changing to 4-headed arrow. 4 साइड का arrow है, देखो दिख रहा है ना. Click on this and don't leave mouse button. अब आप जहाँ भी ले जाना चाह रहे हैं, जब तक बटन नहीं छोड़ेंगे, it is with your mouse pointer. जहाँ ले जाना चाह रहे हैं, just leave it and it is moved. Same way, जहाँ भी हमें चाहिए we can place it there. This is how you can move. Clear? Next is format text. For formatting the text, select the text and then from the home tab we can decorate it. Let's see. Suppose this is my text. I have selected it. It is selected. Now from the home tab and font group, from here, suppose bold style I want. From here I'll increase the size. From here I'll change the color, and whatever the style I want, that I can change. This is how whatever the changes, whatever the formatting you want, that can be done. Clear? This is how to format. Next is adding the word art. The word art is already created text art. Okay, art related to the text. And how it can be done? It is done using the insert tab, text group, and then word art. Okay, let's see. For that we will go to insert tab. In the insert tab there is text group, and here you will see the word art. Click on word art. So many options are available. Click on the option you want. This box will appear. It is asking type your text here. Chaliye, type my first PPT. Okay, this I have typed. This is how the word art is insert it. Text box की तरह इसे भी आप wherever you want you can move. Done. This is how to add. Next is format the word art, means how to more enhance the look of the word art. For that, from the ribbon tab the drawing toolbar appears. Means कैसे? Look here, I'll double click on it. जब आप इस पे कहीं बाहर क्लिक कर रहे हैं you can see ribbon is visible, but जब आप इस पे क्लिक करेंगे toolbar related to this only appears. Okay, this is the toolbar which will helpful in decoration of this. Click on this. This is selected. Now different styles are there. जो style आपको अच्छा लगता है you can select from here. Different impacts are there. You can see different fills are there. Whatever you want, the text color or whatever. Look, this is how we can change the look of the word art. Clear? Next is adding shapes and image clip art. For adding shapes, you have to go to Insert tab, Illustration group and Shapes. Here, this is the Insert tab, Illustration group और इसमें Shapes. Yes, this is shape. Click on the shape. जो भी shape आपको चाहिए, whatever the shape you want, take that. Suppose I want this. Okay, किसी और स्लाइड में चलते हैं. Shapes, I want this. Draw this. Okay, clear? Draw नहीं भी करना है तो just click on the shape और click करें, automatically that will be drawn. This is how you can insert the selected shape. Then adding an image from the file, means shape नहीं draw करनी है आपने. आपके सिस्टम में any file is there, any photo is there that you want to insert. How? Just see that also. I am moving to this slide. From here again Insert tab, Illustration group. Now here you will see picture. Okay, click on picture. Suppose on my desktop there is photo. Click on desktop and whatever the photo you want to insert, click on that and click on insert. That photo is inserted. Isn't it easy? चलिए, next is adding an image from the clip art. Means system में already there are few images in the form of clip art and how to insert them. For that again go to Insert tab. I am moving to this slide. Insert tab. Here you will in Illustration group you will get clip art. Okay, जैसे आप clip art पे click करेंगे, at the right hand side this window will open. Here mention related to which topic you want to open the images. Suppose I want buildings. Type किया and click on go. Many diagrams related to buildings will open. जो आपको चाहिए click on that and that will be inserted. आप इनको बड़ा छोटा whatever you want you can do. This is how the clip art can be inserted. After that, how to format an image or clip art, means an image. For this we need to select the image or the clip art, whatever you want to format. The first thing we need to do is to select the image, clip art or the text. Means whatever the action we want to apply on them. Let's see. Look, this was the clip art which we have inserted just before. Click on this. Again, when we are not clicking on the clip art, here ribbon is visible, and when we are clicking, then picture toolbar appears here. You can see we can select from here any type, any style which we want to apply. Look here. This is from here we can select the border for our shape of whatever we want, that's type. Okay, and this is the pictures effect, any type of effect which we want to give to our image. Okay, all that can be done. We can increase or we can decrease the contrast of our image as per the requirement. Got it? This is how we can format the image or the clip art. Any image also can be done. Look, this is the image, and from here we can select the border, and if we want to increase the width of the border, that also can be done. Okay, style of the border can also be changed. in this option, the line style, everything is available here. Clear? Next is formatting slide design, adding them to slide. Means design for the slides, how we can add them. For that, it is from design tab and themes group. This is our design tab and this is our themes group. Okay, here from this option we'll get all these themes. You can see all designs are available. Whatever you want, suppose I want this, click on that and let me make it larger. You can see it's applied. Got it? From here you can select whatever you want, click on that and that particular style is applied. This is how we can apply themes to the slide. And for this theme we can change the color. If for particular theme we want to change any of the style from here. Okay, for a particular ready-made theme we can also choose any of the option. Font style can be changed as per the need. Whatever you want, just click on that, that will be set. And any effect for your theme. Clear? That is how we can set the themes for the slide. Next is changing the background. This was obviously this was also the background, but that was through the theme. Okay, but now with the help of design tab, background group and background style is there. Let's see here, design tab, this is the background group and this is the background style. From here you can also choose anything which you want. इनमें से भी नहीं मुझे अच्छा लगा, then you can go here, format background. This dialog box opens. If we want single color in the background, you can choose. Got it? And but if you want any of the style, you can choose. You can see at the background back the same style is applied. Okay, करके और close. And more effects are there. You can click on texture filling and this type of texture filling, all these are there. Whatever you will choose, that will be applied at the background. And if you close now, it will be applied only to the selected slide. You can see this is the current slide, this is selected, so it will, right now it is applied only to this slide. But if you want this style to be applied to all the slides, then click on apply to all. Look, I am clicking and yes, it is applied to all the slides. Got it? This is how the background can be changed. Got it? Next is formatting presentation using the slide master. अब नाम से क्लियर है, स्लाइड मास्टर. स्लाइड मास्टर इज व्हाट? इट्स अ टेम्पलेट फॉर द एंटायर प्रेजेंटेशन. मीन्स सपोज मेरी प्रेजेंटेशन में 40 स्लाइड्स हैं एंड प्रेजेंटेशन इज ऑलमोस्ट रेडी, and at the last moment I got to know that a particular style of, you can say font style, that needs to be changed. तो मुझे वो 40 की 40 slides में one by one I need to do. But the best solution for that is just make single change in the slide master. Slide master means कोई master slide है. Changing in that slide will change the changes in all the slides. Okay, now how can that be done? Through the view tab and presentation view group, then slide master. Okay, let's see how it can be done through the view. Got it? And from here it is, कौन सा ग्रुप है? प्रेजेंटेशन व्यू ग्रुप. ये ग्रुप्स के नाम याद होने चाहिए आपको. ओके, प्रेजेंटेशन व्यू ग्रुप एंड स्लाइड मास्टर. जैसे ही आप स्लाइड मास्टर पे क्लिक कर रहे हैं, दीज स्लाइड्स आर विजिबल. यू कैन सी हर लेआउट की स्लाइड है यहाँ पर, एवरी लेआउट, वट एवर द लेआउट यू लाइक. सपोज मुझे मेरी स्लाइड्स इस व्यू में चाहिए. ओके, ठीक है. एंड फ्रॉम हेयर you can choose whatever you change in this slide, that will be changed in your all the slides. Okay, suppose I want this placeholder at bottom. मैं चाहती हूँ टाइटल नीचे आए और मैटर ऊपर आए. क्लियर? ओके, दिस थिंग आई वांट. डन. नाउ क्लोज इट. क्लियर? अब आप देखें, लुक, दिस इज द स्लाइड. टाइटल नीचे है, पहले ऊपर था, बट आफ्टर चेंजिंग टू द मास्टर स्लाइड, नेक्स्ट स्लाइड पे जाते हैं. लुक, टाइटल इज एट द बॉटम, यू कैन सी. तो इट मीन्स मास्टर स्लाइड में जो हमने किया दैट इज डन. ये एक सैम्पल दिया मैंने आपको, दैट चेंजिंग वन थिंग इन मास्टर स्लाइड दैट ऑटोमेटिकली चेंज एवरीथिंग इन योर ऑल द स्लाइड्स ऑफ योर presentation. In the same way, you can change background, you can change slide titles, you can change animations, whatever you want that can be changed. Clear? After that, creating custom animation effects for the objects. Now what is this custom animation? Custom animation means whatever the effects you are giving to the objects on your slides. हमारी slides में जो presentation में slides we are putting, we always place few objects. कोई image है, कोई text है, कोई shape है, all those are objects. To applying some kind of effects, that is done through the custom animation, and that is done through animation tab, then animation group, and from there custom animation. Now see, look, suppose I want to apply effect in this my current slide. I have only this one object, single object and nothing else. Let me type one text is presentation. Okay, this is title. Now I want to apply custom animation. For that, go to animation tab, then animation group. This is tab, this is group. Okay, and from here custom animation option. As you click here at right side, this box will appear. Now you can see these are disabled. Why? Because we have not selected anything in the slide. Suppose first of all I want to apply an animation to this only. ठीक है, तो जिसको सेलेक्ट करोगे सिर्फ उस पे इफेक्ट आएगा. क्लिक्ड, देन क्लिक ऑन. जैसे अब यू कैन सी व्हेन आई क्लिक्ड दिस बटन इज इनेबल्ड. पहले डिसेबल था, नाउ दिस इज इनेबल्ड. नाउ क्लिक ऑन. These all are the effects. Whatever you like, just do that, and then whatever the effect you would like, and you can see it will show a preview of the effect. Okay, and one effect is done. यहाँ one आ गया, and here it is showing that one animation is done. Now second object, click on this, and whatever you want the effect it is showing here. और change करना है तो you can change also. You want to remove, you can also remove. Done? Clear? This is how we can add animations. Animations are done. Okay, now next is modify animation effects. Means already we have done animation effects, but now I want to change. Now what to do? For that, the same method, but instead of add effects, now we will modify the effect instead of adding. Okay, for that let's see. Look, here I have already added, fine, but now I want to change. Then what to do? Suppose I am closing it. Now again I am opening custom animation. From here, look, जो भी इफेक्ट है उस पर क्लिक किया. फर्स्ट इफेक्ट वॉज दिस, सेकेंड इफेक्ट वॉज दिस. क्लिक ऑन द इफेक्ट. Here you will see I was telling modify. Modify की जगह यहाँ पर change का option है. Okay, click on change. Whatever the effect you want to change, you can click. ये effects नहीं है, और भी हैं more effects, and here you can see so many effects are there. Whatever you like that you can do. Suppose I am doing this. Okay, done. Here you can also modify that you want to start your animation through mouse click, या बस इससे पहले वाला है उसके साथ में या उसके बाद में. ओके, आई वॉन्ट ऑन माउस क्लिक. स्पीड यू वॉन्ट स्लो, फास्ट, आई थिंक वेरी स्लो में मज़ा आएगा. ओके, इन द सेम वे सेकेंड वाले को यू कैन चेंज फ्रॉम हेयर. फ्रॉम हेयर सपोज साइज अब जितना बड़े, लाइक फ्रॉम हेयर, एंड स्पीड आई वॉन्ट स्लो. This is how we can change, or you can say we can modify, we can edit the already given custom animation effects. Clear? Now create a slide transition. एक नई term आई है, it is asked in the exam also. What is slide transition? Slide transitions are the animation effects. अब आप कहेंगे मैम अभी तो कहा था custom animation are the effects, animation effects. Yes, they are also the animation effects, but slide transitions are the animation effects that are given to the slides. Slides के objects को नहीं देते. Okay, the slide transition is an animation effect that is given to the slides, means how your slide is going to enter in your show. एक स्लाइड कैसे एंट्री करेगी, this is that. और custom animation क्या है? means the effects which we apply to the objects on a slide. ये डिफरेंस है. स्लाइड ट्रांजिशन सिर्फ स्लाइड की एंट्री डिसाइड कर रहा है, एंड कस्टम एनिमेशन is the animation effect given to the objects of the slides. Clear? And speed of transition we can also control. Sound can also be given. Okay, and this is done through again animation tab. चलिए try करते हैं. Here animation tab is there. Here you can see, I have to make it bigger. You can see this is the transition to this slide group. Okay, these all are the style of transition. Suppose मैं पहली स्लाइड को ये वाला स्टाइल देना चाहती हूँ. Look, दिख रहा है? Speed I want slow from here. Sound मुझे कुछ ना कुछ explosion sound चाहिए. Okay, clear? And then second slide को आप whatever you want. Look, third slide को, और सबको सेम स्टाइल देना है तो apply to all. That's up to you. आपकी मर्जी है. Okay, मैंने दो तीन को अलग अलग दे दिए हैं. स्लो here. Okay, now let's see. फर्स्ट स्लाइड से साउंड आ रही है ना, थोड़ा मैंने आवाज कम कर रखी है. दिख रहा है? These are the slide transition. Sound is also coming. ये कस्टम एनिमेशन है. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज डन. क्लियर है? स्लाइड ट्रांजिशन एंड कस्टम एनिमेशन. नेक्स्ट इज चेंज द ऑर्डर ऑफ द स्लाइड. मीन्स सपोज आई वांट कि मेरी पहली स्लाइड है वो 4th नंबर पे आ जाए, 4th नंबर वाली फर्स्ट पे आ जाए. हाउ? मैंने आपको बताया था स्टार्टिंग में, स्लाइड सॉर्टर व्यू. याद है? स्लाइड सॉर्टर व्यू. इन द व्यू टैब स्लाइड सॉर्टर you can see all the slides. चाहे आपकी 50 slides हैं, all will be visible at one place. Now जो भी आपको first करने, suppose this I want to at first place, click on this and drag and leave at the place where you want. You can see ये first हो गई है, ये second हो गई है. Okay, और जहाँ पे इसको ले जाना है आपने, there you can leave it. Got it? This is how we can rearrange our slides. Got it? Next is slide show options. मैंने starting में बताया था, in the view slide show view was there. It is done जब सब हो गया है. All things are done in our presentation and final show. For the final presentation we are ready. Now for slideshow, it's a tab on ribbon that contains many options of the slideshow. अब कौन कौन से options है slideshow में? Option में preview the slideshow, from the beginning, from current slide, और set up the slideshow. चलिए देखते हैं एक एक करके. This is slideshow tab. slideshow tab के रिबन आ गया, दिख रहा है? Here means from starting. मेरी current slide फिलहाल 4th है, दिख रहा है ना यहाँ से? This is visible. 4 number is my current slide. अगर मैं from, इसको बड़ा करते हैं. If I'll click on from beginning, then your show will start from the slide number 1. चाहे बेशक मेरी 4th slide current slide है, selected slide है. Okay, but if I'll click on from current slide, तो current slide कौन सी है? 4. तो your slide show will start from 4, then 5, then 6. 1, 2, 3 आएंगी ही नहीं. Fine, that's up to you. That how you suppose from beginning करते हैं, तो ये my presentation वाली आनी चाहिए. Let's see आती भी है कि नहीं. You can see, दिख रहा है? मैं वापस गई. अब चलिए फ्रॉम करंट स्लाइड करते हैं, तो 4th आनी चाहिए अकॉर्डिंग टू अस. लेट्स सी. यस, डन. क्लियर है? ले मैंने फोर्थ पे क्लिक किया, अब दोबारा दिखाते हैं। करंट स्लाइड फोर्थ थी तो फोर्थ आ गई। क्लियर है? चलिए नेक्स्ट इज सेटअप स्लाइड शो। यहाँ आया ना नाम, सेटअप योर स्लाइड शो। हाउ टू सेटअप योर स्लाइड शो? दिस ऑप्शन अलाउज टू सेट प्रेफरेंसेस कि स्लाइड शो में कुछ खास चीज़ें विच आर टू बी डन, वेदर योर शो विल रन ऑटोमेटिकली, विल बी प्रेजेंटेड बाय अ स्पीकर, लूप चलेगा, नरेशन चलेगा, मॉनिटर चलेगा। मीन्स अब एक एक जो चीज़ें बोली इनका मीनिंग समझते हैं। सेटअप स्लाइड शो पे गई मैं, कैसे गई? स्लाइड शो, देन फ्रॉम सेटअप ग्रुप स्लाइड शो, सेटअप स्लाइड शो। ठीक है, अब यहाँ आया, मीन्स इट इज आस्किंग प्रेजेंटेड बाय अ स्पीकर, मीन्स फुल स्क्रीन का शो चाहिए? यस। आपको नहीं चाहिए तो यू कैन डिसेबल इट, ओके, बट आई वांट, दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव क्लिक्ड हियर। ओके, आफ्टर दैट इन स्लाइड शो वी वांट टू इंक्लूड ऑल स्लाइड्स, और अगर आपको कुछ स्लाइड छोड़नी है तो यू कैन मेंशन भाई स्लाइड नंबर 2 से 4 चाहिए या 3 to 6 चाहिए, वट एवर, वी वांट ऑल स्लाइड्स, दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव क्लिक्ड हियर। ओके, एंड देन कोई टाइम सेट करना या मैनुअल, सपोज आई वांट टू डू इट मैनुअली। ओके, देन लूप अंटिल एस्केप, जब तक कीबोर्ड से एस्केप का बटन नहीं प्रेस करेंगे, लूप मीन्स खत्म होने के बाद दोबारा से स्टार्टिंग से फर्स्ट से। ओके, दैट्स अप टू यू। चलिए ये टिक किया, ओके करते हैं। एक बार स्लाइड शो देखें इसका। चलिए मैं बिगिनिंग से कर रही हूँ, मैं माउस से क्लिक करती जा रही हूँ। ओके, जल्दी जल्दी कर रही हूँ थोड़ा, सो दैट टाइम इज नॉट वेस्टेड। ओके, लास्ट स्लाइड आ गई थी, दोबारा से फर्स्ट आ गई है, यू कैन सी। मैं एस्केप, ये लास्ट आ गई, देखो अगेन फर्स्ट, you can see because we have clicked on loop. Now I am pressing escape button from the keyboard. So setting up slideshow, if you want to move in loop continuously through this option we have done. इसको हटा देंगे तो definitely end होने के बाद it will be ended only. Clear? Next is record narration. Record means शायद हमारी वॉइस रिकॉर्ड होगी। कैसे? When a record narration for the slide is to be added, from the record narration it is to be done. कई बार क्या होता है, for every slide, इसको नॉर्मल पे करते हैं, मैं नॉर्मल व्यू कर दूं एक बार, हाँ जी। means sometimes what happens that we are not physically present at the presentation time, so we can also record our voice with the slides. So how it can be done? That is called narration, record narration. Now see, like this, record narration option पे click किया, then here set microphone level, it is checking that it's okay, then click on OK. Now okay, अब ये पहली स्लाइड चली, for this whatever I am speaking that is being recorded, और जब तक आप next slide पे नहीं जाएंगे, look right now I have clicked for the next slide. Now next slide is there, whatever I am speaking that is being recorded. Okay, clear? अब मैं escape का बटन प्रेस किया, it is asking कि सेव कर दें आपके नरेशन, means whatever I have spoken that is saved. Fine. अब मैं शो देखो, you can see जितनी देर मैं बोली हूँ all the timings are there. ठीक है, अब मैं आपको शो दिखाती हूँ और मैं चुप रहूँगी बिल्कुल, और you will hear from beginning. Okay, अब ये पहली स्लाइड चली, for this whatever I am speaking that is being recorded, और जब तक आप नेक्स्ट स्लाइड पे नहीं जाएंगे, look right now I have clicked for the next slide. Now I think concept is clear. Now I am pressing escape so that time is not wasted. Okay, I think narration is clear. Next is rehearse timing, means फाइनल प्रेजेंटेशन से पहले ही रिहर्सल करना। जैसे मूवीज में एक्टिंग से पहले रिहर्सल्स होती हैं, इन सेम वे फॉर प्रेजेंटेशन ऑल्सो रिहर्सल इज देयर। विद रिहर्सल टाइमिंग वी कैन रिहर्स द प्रेजेंटेशन टू सी वेदर दैट हाउ मच टाइम इट इज गोइंग टू टेक। ओके, अब ये रिहर्स टाइमिंग कैसे है? फ्रॉम द स्लाइड शो टैब, सेटअप ग्रुप इज देयर। लुक, दिस इज स्लाइड शो, ओके, सेटअप ग्रुप इज देयर एंड हेयर इट इज रिहर्स। अब ये चलता जाएगा, ओके, और जितनी देर मैं इसको क्लिक कर रही हूँ, देखो जब तक आप नेक्स्ट स्लाइड पे नहीं नोट हो रहा है टाइम, जितना आपको लगता है कि इट इज सफिशिएंट, तब आप नेक्स्ट स्लाइड। ओके, अब ये पहली स्लाइड चली, फॉर दिस व्हाटएवर आई एम now as I am clicking the time is there, whatever I am speaking that is being suppose for 4 seconds this slide, then next this slide I am giving 2-3 seconds, then next. Now it is saying that your total time for the slideshow is 15 seconds. Okay, so do you want to maintain this? Yes, we want to maintain. It means total 15 seconds time to my slideshow I have given in rehearsal. Okay, these are the steps which I have just done. Means the same timing we want to keep or not. For that, here look, here you can see use rehearsed timing. मीन जो रिहर्सल की है टाइमिंग की वही टाइमिंग चलानी है हमने या नहीं चलानी है. इफ़ यू वांट टू फॉलो दैट देन दिस टिक विल बी देयर. इफ़ यू डोंट वांट टू फॉलो दैट देन अनटिक. देन जितनी मर्जी टाइम जब तक आप माउस से नेक्स्ट क्लिक नहीं करते इट विल नॉट बी डन. Okay, that is rehearsed timing, means doing rehearsal. After that, how to save the presentation and how to print the presentation. Mean for saving the presentation already the same method. Going to office button, clicking on save, then mention your file name. Right now I have already saved. Now for that click on save as. If you have already saved and you want to change the name, suppose I want to save it with my presentation 1 at desktop. Okay, for that click at the location where you want and click on save. Then that same name appears at the title part. This is how it is saved. After that, how to print, the main thing which actually needs to be learnt here. Look here, first of all from here choose the printer which you want to, from which you want to get the prints. After that these three options, all slides you want to get printed, only the current slide means which is opened in front of us, or the selection means like from 1 to 5 or 1 to 6 or 2 to 6 whatever. Suppose I want to print slide number 1 to 5 only. Then number of copies, कितनी कॉपी, एक स्लाइड की 4-4 कॉपी 5-5 जितनी आपको चाहिए that you can mention. The main thing, जो सबसे मेन चीज़ है, from here slides means actual print of one slide on one page will be done with this option. Then handouts, with the handouts means the miniature or you can say readable format of more than 2 slides on a page. For example, suppose from here I have taken 4, so 4 slides on one page, maybe in vertical format or maybe in horizontal format. You can see हम 6 स्लाइड भी एक पेज पे कर सकते हैं. Means this is as per your choice. This is called handouts. Okay, next is notes page. In the notes page मैंने starting में notes view में आपको नोट्स बनाने बताए थे. विद एवरी स्लाइड वी कैन मेंटेन आवर ओन नोट्स. तो इन दिस नोट्स पेज योर इंडिविजुअल स्लाइड अलॉन्ग विद द नोट्स मेंटेन्ड फॉर दैट स्लाइड that will be printed. Okay, last is outline view. In the outline view collectively all the slides miniatures will be printed on single page, means only the outline of your presentation will be printed. Got it? After doing all this only you have to just click on print. I am clicking on cancel because right now I don't have any printer installed in my system. Okay, otherwise you have to click on okay. Done. That's it for now. Do practice well. Okay, bye.